Alright, today I'm gonna share to you how to make a lesson plan in just 2 minutes. So in your Google, you just have to type lesson planner. Okay, type lesson planner PH. Okay, after typing, this will be the outcome. So you have to find lesson planner PH 5E is powered by AppGen. So just click this one. After clicking that, you sign in with your Google account. So you have to choose, okay? And after choosing, you can see this. So what you will do is you will just enter the code. Say for example, in your grade 1 lesson, okay, this is for English subject. Okay, just copy the code. Okay, there. After copying, you also copy the objective. Like say for example, recognize common action words in stories listened to. So just copy the objective and then choose the translation. After copying, you click submit. Okay, then there. See, this is already an example of a 5E's lesson plan. This is designed to engage students in recognizing action words through various interactive and engaging activities, leading to a comprehensive understanding of the concept. Okay, so this is an example of a 5E's format lesson plan about recognizing action words. So it's just very easy. So you just have to copy this one in your Microsoft in your Word and then it's done.